Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pensy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to evasive maneuvers.
Oh no! We're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion! Engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, so we're gonna die. Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery. Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself. Ratchet! Nature is attacking! Not bad for a sidekick. Take this, evildoer! Okay, slight problem. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is gonna be murder on my spandex. What's the plan, anyway?
Well, where there are bridges, there are people. Where there are people, there are ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart. You're gonna make a great Look at this beautiful native craftsmanship. Take that!
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this? Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working. Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be alright with those things on the loose?
Help! Their parents are here! Keep the change, villain. Thanks, Ratchet. You see the size of those things? They were horrible! Come on, maybe the... Concerned for his compatriot's well-being, Captain Quark's noble sidekick ninja leaps from stone to stone. Below him, 6 deadly inches of crystal blue water. With his enemies vanquished, Captain Quark steals into the jungle, blaster at the ready, prepared to deliver swift justice to those who cross his path. Hey, look, they've got GrummelNet.
GrummelNet presents to you the ultimate prop. Are you tired of having to purchase a different weapon for every occasion? Then try GrummelNet's new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo-approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors: the Constructo Bomb Glove, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun. Snoop around, Steve.
At least they're civilized. You need anything?
Is that one of those new Constructo bomb gloves? I've seen commercials for those back on Kurwat.
This door is ajar.
Oh, brother.
Hey, how come you get all the cool weapons?
Oh, help! Please, please help me. My children, they're in danger.
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
Cyphoids. We were fishing up the river when they attacked.
Quark, stay here. I'll go save the children.
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Wow, thanks, mister. My mom's over there. Oh, praise Orbis. Lombax? I think my mom's over here. Lombax, you're my hero. I still haven't found Kalo.
Up a Constructo mod. It can be used to modify your Constructo weapons.
want to go home now. Thanks, Kitty. My mom's this way, Kitty. Oh, thank you so much.